Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator who dreams of reaching people all around the world, then I promise you, today's video is going to completely shift how you think about your audience, because we are taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful creator tools available right now, Rask AI. So what exactly is Rask AI? It's an advanced artificial intelligence platform that lets you translate, dub, and even repurpose your videos into over 60 different languages, instantly. Whether you're a YouTuber, an educator, an influencer, or a business owner, this tool is designed to help you break through language barriers and connect with millions more viewers across the globe. Let's be real for a second. You pour so much effort into your content, the filming, the editing, the planning. It all takes a ton of time and energy. But after all that work, your video is mostly seen by people who speak your native language. Meanwhile, there are billions of people out there who would absolutely love your content, if only they could understand it. This is exactly the problem that Rask AI solves, and it does it in the smartest way possible. What makes it so special is that it doesn't just slap on some subtitles. It actually clones your voice, maintains your unique tone and energy, and then translates your words. So it still sounds like you speaking, but in any language you choose. It's absolutely incredible technology. And the best part? It's ridiculously simple to use. Let me walk you through it. First, you just head over to the Rask AI website and create your free account. Yes, you heard that right. It's free to get started. Next, you upload your video. It supports common formats like MP4 and MOV, or even just audio files from your podcast episodes. From there, you simply choose the languages you want to translate your content into. Spanish, French, Arabic, German, Hindi, Japanese. The list is seriously long and covers a huge portion of the global population. After you've made your selections, you just give the AI a few moments to work its magic and process your content. And then, boom! Just like that, Rask AI delivers a fully dubbed video with your own cloned voice speaking a new language. You can then download it and post your new multilingual content anywhere you want. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. But it doesn't stop there. The applications for this are massive. Think about it. Course creators can make their educational content accessible to an international audience. Businesses can expand into new markets without the massive cost of traditional localization. Gamers can share their gameplay with fans worldwide. Musicians and filmmakers can release their art to a global fan base. Even ministries and nonprofits can spread their important messages across borders. It's a tool for anyone who wants to multiply their audience. Now, let's talk about quality, because that's what really matters. The translations are smart, accurate, and they capture the emotion behind your words. Rask AI understands tone, humor, and storytelling far better than any basic translation tool I've ever used. And with its new lip-syncing technology, the mouth movements in the video actually match the new audio, making the dubbing feel incredibly natural and professional. You have to see it to believe it. Just think about the time and money this saves. You no longer have to hire expensive voice actors for every language. You don't have to pay multiple translators or manage complex projects, and you definitely don't have to reshoot your videos. With Rask AI, one piece of content instantly becomes many. What does that mean for you? It means more views, more engagement, more subscribers, and ultimately, more income. It means building a true global community around your brand and your message. And honestly, what we're seeing right now is just the beginning. Rask AI is evolving at a rapid pace. They are constantly improving the voice cloning, the translation accuracy, and the processing speed. This makes adopting a tool like this one of the smartest moves you can make for your content strategy heading into 2025 and beyond. Here's the simple truth. Creators who embrace multilingual content right now will be the ones who lead the future of online video. Those who stay stuck in a single language risk getting left behind as the digital world becomes more and more connected. So, if you're serious about expanding your content to a worldwide audience, if you want your message to cross borders, and if you're ready to unlock access to billions of potential viewers, Rask AI is the tool you need. I've tested it myself, I love it, and I wholeheartedly recommend you try it out. And here's the best part. You can start for free. That's right, there's no major investment needed to see just how powerful this platform really is for yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to try Rask AI for free today. It's time to take your content global, reach new audiences, and watch your channel grow faster than ever before. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tips on the best creator tools and strategies. And let me know in the comments, which language are you most excited to translate your content into first? Thanks for watching, keep creating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.